Welcome back, viewers. In the last two videos, we have seen the Ultramarine Linux Pantheon desktop, and before that, we were doing a series on EndeavourOS. We were trying out the different desktops, installation of the desktops using the terminal, and then the review of the subsequent desktop that we installed using the terminal. Now, three desktops are pending. That is, Budgie, Cinnamon is there, and Mate desktop is pending for EndeavourOS Artemis. So we will continue henceforth with these three desktops. So today we will install the Cinnamon desktop using the terminal. So this is the command for installing the Cinnamon desktop. So sudo pacman space dash capital S Cinnamon, then system dash config dash printer gnome keyring, then blueberry and cinnamon dash translations. So you can just install the cinnamon also. So that will install the only cinnamon desktop. So the system printer configuration won't be there. The gnome keyring will be absent. Blueberry, that is the manager for the Bluetooth, will be also absent, and the cinnamon translations will be also absent. So to have a complete or full desktop, you can add this. So it will be much more convenient for the user. You just copy this command. Already I have got the virtual machine spinning. Open the terminal, that is console. Open the console. Now you have to paste this command. I think it is not working. Okay, so what we can do is we'll have to go back, copy it again, and this time try it out. There is some issue. Console, open it up. No, it is not working. So sudo pacman s cinnamon, then you can just copy this system config printer. So system dash config dash printer. So it will install the system printer configuration. Then space, go back again, gnome keyring and blueberry. So you can just install it, gnome keyring and blueberry, which is the Bluetooth manager, blueberry. And then what was the last one? Cinnamon translations here. So cinnamon translations. Now you have to hit the enter button. Give your sudo password. Okay, so now you can see here there are no warnings, nothing is there, because you have properly selected all the packages, and the earlier desktop, that was KD, which is already installed, it is properly installed. So there are no dependencies to resolve, no conflicts are there, nothing is there. It's a pure, very good installation. So you have to learn how to install, how to select packages using terminal. So this is for you only. So that's why I'm repeatedly trying to install the different desktops using terminal only. I'm not doing clean installs. I am using the old installation, removing the old desktop, and then installing the new desktop. So you can also watch me and then practice it yourself. Now you have to proceed with the confirmation for installation. So it's just 21.78 MB of download and total install size. Because can you think why? Because earlier we had got the gnome desktop. So the gnome desktop has been uninstalled, but the base file system is still there. So base EndeavourOS is still there. So it only downloads the desktop packages. System packages are not required to be downloaded. The base system remains the same. So now some warnings have come. Okay. too many errors from the mirror. So there is some error from the mirror. Nothing to worry. What we can do is, in such cases, what to do? You have to open the welcome screen or the welcome app. Okay, just go there. Let it open. Never, if you get frightened, then you will end up messing up the things. Never get frightened. Nothing is going to happen. So you have to just update the mirrors. There is some issue, or maybe the mirrors have changed the IP. Something is there, or some mirrors are not available. Might be, possibly they are all under updation. So you have to just wait. Nothing to worry. So now it is updating the mirrors. Now we can try. I think. Let us see if it works. Just you have to give the command again. Now here you can see the download size has decreased just 0.22. So in the last execution of the same command last time, out of the 21, I think there was yes 21.78 MB that was to be downloaded. Only 0.22 has remained. So most of the packages were successfully downloaded. So you have to give confirmation again. Some small packages are pending. That's it. 8 small packages are there, worth a few hundred KBs. Okay, so there is still an error. The libby magquent is not error is there. Nothing to worry. Let this installation complete. We will again rerun the command. That will solve the issues. Okay, now what we will do is we have to again update the mirror. So this is what I am showing you on the screen. Is this is how it happens in the real life. It is not picture perfect every time. There will be some issues always with your system, but you have to face it very coolly. You can see here now the blueberry cinnamon translations, genome keyring. So these are 00, net change is 00, but I think something has been pending. So that will install whatever is pending. Okay, so now what is it system is telling? Please check that your local settings. Okay, so there is a warning for the local settings. So setting of the local has failed. So nothing to worry. Again, what we can do is again we have to run this package. Okay, so the local is not working. So what we have to do? Let us go in the system. Okay, let us open the reflector. Okay, I will close this once. Reflector simple. Is it working? Go to settings, go to system settings, search for local. Okay, language, checkout. Okay, formats. It is, yeah, so here it is Indian, and in the language, so you'll have to add English India. Okay, what we can do is now we will open the console again, and then we will rerun this command. Warning, reinstalling. Okay, so it is reinstalling. The this package is downloaded, but it had not complete the installation. So location unset all. Okay, so now what I will do is I will go here, open the system settings. So open the regional settings. Automatically local. Okay, so the local is okay. Formats, everything is okay. So I think this is all okay. Language is English default. We can add Hindi if English is not possible. We can do a defaults. Because of this there is no choice. Or we can add British English and remove the American English. Or we can do is okay, so British English has been applied now. Let us see what happens. I can go and again try to install. Okay, so still there is a issue. Okay, the location identification is English AG only. Okay, so and this is not matching with this. Okay, auto detection. Okay, what we can do is we go with the British region. Everything should be British, then maybe it is. Or what we can do is we can have India, we can have. Okay, region also India is possible. India, yes, India is there. So here everything is India. Okay, apply and add languages. The India is not there. So this was the issue. Okay, now what we do is we close this, we try it again. Yes. Okay, so again open the settings, go to regional settings, go for the defaults. Okay, okay, I will now restart this system. Let us see what happens. Okay, now let us try to do it again. Once again, it is the console. Let's try to do it again. No, the issue is still there, so we'll have to anyway solve the issue. Go to regional settings. Here, apply it. Or we can go with United States, EndeavourOS, American English, US, yes. Everywhere you have to go with the US English, American English. Time also we can change. There is no issue as such. Okay. You can go with American only. Measurement also American English. Everything is changed now. Apply. Set time zone automatically, so it will be automatically applied. You can choose any American time. You can go with New York time. Okay. So you have to apply this. Enable to change the NTP settings. Okay, so what to do now? Anyway, let it time remain that. I think it will work now. Now let us. It's still the warning is there. Issue is with the warning. Okay, so now the issue has been solved after a good struggle with the system. I will stop the video here. The Cinnamon desktop has been installed with the system config printer, Gnome keyring, Blueberry, and Cinnamon translation extras. In the next video, we will do the review of the Cinnamon desktop of EndeavourOS Artemis. Bye. See you in the next video.